So to start with, I upgraded my lighting on the inside, and you'll see it illuminate now. So I changed the halogen bulbs in the map lights and the center console in the center light to LEDs, and you can see how much brighter it makes the inside of the car. I also put LED strip lighting in the footwells, and it's brightened it right up. If I go into the back, the lighting really lights up the back seat so you can see a lot. This might be a bit much for some, but it's good for me. So once again, in this particular vehicle, it was a 31mm festoon LED globe. In the map lights, it's in each map light there's a T10 LED, and it's just strip lighting in the footwells. This is looking at it from the driver's side. You can see how much it lights up. So if you drop anything at your feet, you'll be able to see everything. So I've upgraded the blinkers. The fronts were T20s, and they're now super bright. Ignore the parkers, they're just what come with the car, but you can see the light that it throws out just from the blinkers, and they're T20s. At the rear you've got BAU 15S, and that's for the indicator globes, and for the reverse lights they're BA 15Ss. So you can see how bright they are. Also, I've upgraded the number plate lights. They're also T10 globes. If you've got any questions about what I've done, just leave a comment and we'll go from there. Thanks for watching.